So it's day 27 now. I am in Spokane, Washington, and this is a day off the bike. It's a scheduled maintenance day, so I am here at All Sport Motorsports. They are a Yamaha, Honda, Indian, and Victory dealer here in the Spokane area. And really nice shop in here. I'm going to walk around and take a look here in a minute. But they're going to take care of my bike. And I just got to meet one of my viewers. He saw that I was going to be here, so he stopped by just to say hello on his way home. So that was really nice. So thanks, Rod. I appreciate you stopping by. So the guys here at All Sport got me in and out in about 3 hours, a little under 3 hours. So the bike's got some new shoes on it, new oil, new final drive fluid, and a safety check on it. So thanks a lot. Really appreciate the great service. Oh, so good morning now. Got to finish up day 27 because I was out having a good time last night. I'll get to that in a minute. But after I got back from the dealer, basically I just had a nice relaxing day. I had some clothes to wash, and then I just spent the day kind of hanging around, just having a nice relaxing time. Then I got together with a bunch of viewers here from the Spokane area. They all saw that I was here, reached out to me, so I don't know, I think we had about 8 of us over at a local restaurant here, and we really had a great time. Everybody's just absolutely nice, and talking about all our adventures and motorcycles and all those kinds of things was really awesome. So I want to thank everybody. Brian, who bought himself a Super Tenere because of my review, so thanks a lot for that, and glad you're enjoying the bike. He's got it decked out pretty nice as well. He's a Raiders fan, so there's a lot of Raiders things on there that are pretty cool, and some extra lights and things he's got on there. So, but also Dave and Teresa and Trace and Luke and Neil and Frank as well for coming out and saying hello and keeping me company for the evening. And again, especially thanks to Dave and Teresa for picking up dinner for me. I really appreciate that. Didn't have to do it, but I really appreciate it very much. Said everybody was great, and hope to see you again. If you're ever out in Massachusetts, please look me up. So I'm all packed up and ready to go on day 28 today. Heading on the interstate again from Spokane over to Bozeman, Montana. Again, just planning on a nice, relaxing day. It's under 400 miles to get there. And then tomorrow we're going to go from Bozeman up to Billings, but we're going to go by way of dropping down into Yellowstone and then up over the Beartooth Pass. So I'm looking forward to that, as I've been up here several times before but never had a chance to do Beartooth Pass. So we'll see you out on the road today. Right, so made it to Missoula, stopping for a little break, and then I'll be getting back on the bike and finishing the ride off. I think I have a couple hundred miles left to go to Bozeman tonight. Made it to Bozeman today. Really nice, relaxing day on the bike. So checked into a Best Western here. I don't think I'm going to do any more camping on the way home. I'm going to relax and enjoy the rest of this trip. So I'm having a beer, ordered me some dinner, and said just going to enjoy the evening. So today's ride, as I said, was very relaxing, but also it was kind of an emotional ride for me today as well. You know, I think I just started really thinking about how, I guess, lucky I am, how grateful I am for being able to get to do stuff like this. And, you know, I think what brought all of that on was, one, I'm headed for home, so I'm going to see my wife again in about a week, which would be really nice. I'm really looking forward to that. But I'm very thankful. I was interrupted by my clam chowder. But anyway, I was saying that I'm finding myself really thankful, you know, that I have such a great relationship with a woman who supports me in doing these kinds of things. I know that there are a lot of relationships out there that aren't that way, so I'm very lucky to have one of those. Also, you know, getting to meet with the folks last night, you know, my viewership was really, really special. Everybody was great, really nice, and it's just, you know, it touches me, it humbles me to think that my silly little YouTube channel has touched people like that, and, you know, got them interested in doing some trips and stretching their limits and, you know, buying bikes and so forth. So again, that's really special. You know, and I was also talking with Trace, who just got back from an Alaska trip himself. He came into Spokane the same day that I did. And, you know, we were just kind of discussing, you know, what we found to be better than we expected and what we found not to be as good as we expected. And, you know, and I'll get to those kinds of things in other videos, but, you know, overall, it's just really, really a special chance to, you know, get up and to do these kinds of things that everybody just doesn't get the chance to do. So it was a sort of day of reflection like that for me, and said, you know, I think it's good to stay humble and stay thankful.